Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Hope all of you are doing well. Today it's a video lesson of your computer subject from the chapter Applications of Computers. Here are the contents of today's lesson. In this video lesson, you will learn about these two topics. The first one is jobs in technology sector and the second one is continuous learning. Technology sector has various jobs in it, but we will discuss following these 5 jobs. The first one is web developer, software programmers, network administrators, call center professionals, database administrators. And the second topic is, as you know, continuous learning. At the end of these lesson, we have a conclusion of these two topics. Here we have an activity related to these topics at the end of this lesson. Jobs in technology sector and continuous learning. As you know, when computers are so extensively used in industry, there is a need for people who know how to develop new technology and operate it. So this leads to new jobs being created. So we will discuss some of the jobs that have emerged because of the growing use of technology. The first one job in technology sector is web developer. A web developer is a programmer who specializes in the development of World Wide Web application. Actually, he is the person who creates code for web pages. Web developers collect and create web content and plan website layouts and navigation. They also test and optimize a website for user experience and optimum performance. They need to be highly proficient. Proficient means expert with HTML, JavaScript and CSS. These are the languages for the coding of web pages. तो actually web developer को हाईली कमांड होनी चाहिए या वेल ट्रेंड होना चाहिए वेब पेजेस को क्रिएट करने के लिए, और उन सब को क्रिएट करने के लिए उसको लैंग्वेजेस आनी चाहिए जो वेब पेजेस को क्रिएट करने के लिए यूज़ की जाती हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल HTML, JavaScript and CSS and other more. Right? Web developers typically work in team alongside web designers and other IT professionals. The next one is software programmers. A software programmer creates the code for software applications and operating systems. Software is used to create computer-aided designs and control manufacturing equipment. Actually, a software house is a company that produces software for CAD and CAM. So software is not only used for manufacturing industries. It is also used in schools, hospitals, airlines companies and amusement centers need different types of software according to their needs, right? सो सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर्स जो हैं हमारे पास, जो सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोग्रामर्स हैं, ये एक्चुअली डिफरेंट जो हमारी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस हैं इन पे ह्यूज कमांड रखते हैं, वेल ट्रेंड होते हैं और डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस जो रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं आपकी प्रोग्रामिंग की, उनके अकॉर्डिंग जो यूज़ की जाती हैं प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस, उनकी हेल्प से डिफरेंट सॉफ्टवेयर्स को क्रिएट करते हैं. और आपको पता है हर फील्ड की रिक्वायरमेंट डिफरेंट होती है, इस वजह से हर फील्ड की रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर डिफरेंट है और जो सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोग्रामर्स हैं उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स के अकॉर्डिंग सॉफ्टवेयर को डिज़ाइन करते हैं, प्रोग्राम को क्रिएट करते हैं. ओके, सो मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट वन. वी हैव द नेक्स्ट वन जॉब ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी सेक्टर. Network administrators. A network is an arrangement of computers where each computer is connected to each other computer, right? No business can survive without a network, so networks allow computers to share information and work together. Uh, they allow businesses to communicate with offices throughout the world. It is important for the computer network to work efficiently at all times. Problems in the network should be solved quickly with the help of network administrator. So, a network administrator is the person designated in an organization who's responsible for maintaining computer infrastructures with emphasis on networking. They implement and maintain network software and hardware, fix network problems, and ensure network security, availability, and performance standards. They also optimize existing systems to reduce cost and increase productivity. Here you have the right side of your computer screen a picture of a day in the life of a network administrator. The first one thing is provide technical oversight. तो वो टेक्निकली सारी जितनी भी रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं उन पर ओवरसाइट यानी एक बार नज़र दौड़ाता है कि कहाँ पर उसको क्या क्या चीज़ों की रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं. रिसर्च एंड recommend approaches for system administration टास्क के टाइम पे जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं और जो भी सिस्टम के लिए अप्रोचेस हैं वो सब रेकमेंड की जाती हैं थ्रू द नेटवर्क एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर. Train team members on new hardware or software. So during administration, he will also guide or teach or train their team members on new hardware and software operations. Design, deploy, and administer the wireless infrastructure and supporting systems. Deploy means advancement. Administer the wireless infrastructure. Infrastructures are actually the basic requirements of any process or any task. The next one we have is call center professionals. Call center is an office in which large numbers of telephone calls are handled. Call centers have become a major business in the technology sector. Call centers offer a wide variety of business services. They provide 24-hour support to major companies and their customers as well. Call centers have become common in countries like Pakistan as well. A good call center professional has good communication skills and can work efficiently at any time of the day or night. Call center professionals fulfill a number of business purposes, including sales and marketing, lead generation, customer support, and more. Here we have some of the top qualities of a call center agent or a professional. Knowledgeable, detail oriented, organized, flexible, friendly होना चाहिए उसे, calm under pressure. In critical situation उसको calmly handle करना चाहिए pressure को. Effective communicator, efficient in task. At the end of these all qualities, he must be a creative प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर. उसके पास क्रिएटिव आइडियाज़ होने चाहिए प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करने के लिए. द नेक्स्ट वन वी हैव इज़ डेटाबेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर. अ डेटाबेस administrator is a person responsible for installation, configuration, upgradation, administration, and maintenance of databases. He is responsible for organizing and managing an organization's data, making sure that data is accurate and available and also that database performance meets organizational requirements as well. Database administrator makes sure that software and hardware is maintained, allowing for vital information to be easily stored, accessed, and utilized. Database administrators also help guarantee security of data and work alongside team of other IT professionals. So here we have the top skills for database administrators: basic statistics, the different languages or programming languages, Python, R, SQL, database reporting and querying, data security, and then database backups and recovers as well. So these are the skills of database administrator. Continuous learning. As the world is increasingly dependent on the technology, so there is need to be stay aware of new technology changes. Every simple job requires good knowledge of computer system nowadays. Therefore, there is a need of learning new ways of doing things and staying connected with the new technology skills. So, we should be ready to embrace this change and learn new ways of doing things. So, here we have the conclusion of this lesson. Due to technology, demand for technically skilled youth is increasing, and hence more jobs available for educated youth. At the same time, robots have taken over hundreds of assembly jobs. As automation continues to increase, people will continue to lose their jobs to computers and robots. Technology changes the nature of jobs. Even though some jobs will become redundant, technologically, advancement has the potential to create many more employment opportunities than it eliminated. Continuous learning and updating the skill is the need of the hour. So it is a lifelong learning as well. So that's all for today. Here we have the activity, which is read page number 115 and 116 from your textbook, and after attending your video lesson and reading your course book, you have to solve your worksheet appropriately, and do send it back to me as soon as possible for marking and grading of your worksheets. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.